Maliit nga siya din sa personal.
She is tiny.
You look big in the picture. Yeah, you're so cute.
I don't like you. I want a baby.
Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Kanina pa ako nakauwi ng bahay galing sa work. May susunduin kami yung friend ko, si Ate Jen. Pupunta sila dito, magbabakasyon sila ng 2 nights and parang 1 day lang. Mga 2 days, ganon. So, mamaya alis na rin kami mga in 15 minutes para sunduin sila. Pero si Travis gusto niya ikabit yung camera just in case na gusto ni Ate Jen i-check yung anak niya dun sa kwarto kasi maaga natutulog yung anak niya. Tapos if gusto niya manood ng TV dito sa sala para makita niya yung anak niya. Kinagat ako ng lamok. You know. Hindi pa namin naayos yung mga gamit ba. Wala talaga kaming time na paligpit. Kasi Travis may ginawa din kanina, tapos ako nasa work. So andito pa lahat ng mga gamit. And ayan, siniset up ni Travis yung camera.
I've never used one before. It can't be that bad. Hello, baby.
So it's still Wi-Fi.
No, it's not Wi-Fi. It directly connects only with the camera. It's not online. It's not technically online. The EMF is much lower with this stuff. Yeah.
So
I'm just gonna try to.
Our friend Kevin and Jen. So they gave this to us for our baby shower. Binili nila sa registry namin. Tapos meron din silang warranty na binili. Ito daw yung resibo at saka yung parang paper. Tabi daw namin.
Okay.
Parang mukha naman mahirap yung ayusin. And si Kinsley. Andun si Kinsley. Kinsley! Aalis si Mami and Daddy, ha? Iwan ka dito. Ha? Hoy! Iwan ikaw? Bakit nakaganyan ka na naman? Lala. Hi guys! Papunta na kami sa airport para sunduin si Ate Jen. By the way, si Ate Jen nga pala matagal ko na siyang kausap. Parang LDR friendship, no? Lagi kami sa Instagram nag-uusap. Hindi ko alam kung Washington State sila, no? Tapos, nag-fly talaga sila, nagpabook talaga sila ng ticket para lang talaga makita kami dito, no? Tapos, dito sila mag-stay sa bahay.
From Washington?
I think Washington State. Yeah, I'm not sure.
From all the way on the other side of the nation?
Are they close to Michigan?
No, they're close to Washington's by California.
I'm not sure, or Minnesota. I'm not sure, because they move. I'm not sure where they live
Washington
right now.
State's way away from here. It's by California. It's north of California.
She said 2 hours flight.
Then it must be Minnesota.
Minnesota, right?
Yeah, Washington State would have to be probably 5.
Okay, Minnesota.
4 maybe.
Oh yeah, because I sent her a package last time. So
yeah, okay,
Minnesota,
then maybe 2 hours.
So yun, galing sila ng Minnesota. Hindi ko talaga alam kasi hindi ko alam kung taga saan sila, no, na lugar na state talaga, pero alam ko sa Minnesota. Kasama niya yung yung anak niya. 8 months. Tapos, nilagay namin yung car seat sa likod para makasakay si Amelia dyan. Kasi bawal dito, diba? Hindi tulad sa Pilipinas. 8 months.
8 months?
She's still a baby.
She looks big for 8 months, but
in the picture.
It may just be pictures and videos. Yeah. We just need to see her in person. She looks like a big baby. So
she's super cute. I like her face.
Yeah,
her chubby face.
Yeah, we'll see how.
Tapos, ayan, kinabit ni Travis yung
Yep.
Kinabit ni Travis yung car seat.
I'm a pro. I already put the car seat in.
Tapos gagamitin din namin yung stroller para sa kanya kasi pupunta kami ng Botanical Garden tomorrow night para makita yung mga Christmas light. Meron kasi silang pagganon sa Botanical Garden. Every year yun sila. Bago mag-Christmas, naglalagay sila ng mga Christmas light. Tapos kasi last year nandun din kami. So nagbili kami ng ticket para sa amin bukas. So yun. So, makikita nyo si Ate Jen, and this is our first time na ma-meet si Ate Jen. Ako, tsaka si Travis. Hindi pa talaga namin siya na-meet. Sa online ko lang talaga siya. Siya kasi yung dati yung nakakausap ko, yung habang nagpa-process pa ako ng K1 visa. So, yun. So, yun guys. We'll see you later!
A few moments later.
Nandito kami sa waiting area guys. So 4:40 yung arrival nila. 6:20 pa lang. Maaga kami talaga dumating. And malapit lang kasi yung bahay talaga namin sa airport. Dito kami mag-aantay. So sabi ko sa kanya, tinext ko na lang siya. Siguro wala pa siyang signal. Sabi ko sa kanya, i-text niya na lang ako kapag nakababa na sila. Alright, papunta na kami guys. Nag-aantay na sila. Hindi muna kami pumunta kasi sabi niya, antayin ko daw yung tawag niya. So, tinawagan niya ako. Pwede na daw kami pumunta. Kasi nandun na sila sa labas.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Makikita na natin si baby girl Amelia.
So she said she's at
Number 2.
number 2.
Oh, there she goes. I can see her now. Yeah, right there. With the baby, carrier.
I don't see her.
I see her. Just go on this side. That's her.
Oh, right there.
Uh-huh. Hi, Tay! Finally! Nakita na tayo! Oh, hi, baby! Hi, Amelia! Oh my God!
How are you?
Malit nga siya tingnan sa personal.
She is tiny.
You look big in the picture. Yeah, you're so cute.
You look so big.
Yeah, hindi niya kasi alam paano Pero, ganyan ata pagkabit.
May ganyan din kami dati.
Ganyan yung dati.
So the clips, you might have to just adjust. Just depending on...
Ang cute ni Amelia, uy.
Yeah.
Sarap pang gigilan.
How much does she weigh?
I think she's 18 now.
Oh my gosh, so this is perfect.
Yeah, we have this kind of car seat.
Oh, okay. So I just used the lap.
Look at her.
It's not going nowhere.
She's just looking at you.
She's like,
Who is this guy?
she's like, who are you?
You're so pretty. You're so cute. Buti behave siya, Tino.
Uy, uubi, sabi ng mga...
Ang swerte mo
Baka
talaga. I mean, babe, can you hold it?
Sabi nga ng mga kasakay namin, sabi niya, ang bait ng anak mo. Who is that? I know.
Is it working?
Buti mo siya umiyak ko. I just need to move it higher.
Hang on a second.
At the people behind her, and they're like, your baby's just smiling. And
Yeah.
the whole flight's like, yeah, she likes this life.
Because she got used to it
She's
now.
staring at me like, who are you?
I feel like she loves it every time you guys travel. Again!
Did you get the bottom one in?
I need to release the...
Oh, just a little bit.
Yeah. See, she's big enough.
Yeah, so it's
Oh my
it's
God.
Velcro. Well,
Yeah.
that's good to know. I wonder if they make a bigger baby seat for the same base.
Titignan ka lang niya. She's just staring at you. Yeah.
Hi.
You're gonna see Kinsley. You're gonna see Kinsley.
We're almost ready.
Sorry, Amelia. Sorry, Amelia Bedelia. You know that book?
Huh?
Amelia.
Amelia Bedelia book?
Oh yeah.
It's funny. I love that book.
That's where you got her name.
Hindi ko yun alam, babe.
Ay, hindi mo alam na.
Hi.
Yeah, nag-smile siya.
Yeah. She's like, no, I won't do it.
Practice si Travis Kain kami. Andito si Amelia. You're good.
Ay, mag-selfie tayo.
Oo. You're good.
How are you?
Good, are you?
What are you doing?
Sweet tea.
Anong drinks mo, te?
Water.
Water for me. Thank you. Hi, Amelia.
There's a toy meal.
Hi, Amelia.
Oh, say hi to Tita Jessa.
Amelia. Amelia.
Vlog ka ni Tita Jessa. Vlog.
Ang cute mo naman talaga, oh. Agoy. Alaga ay.
Are you cold?
Lamaitit na siya, Tino.
Dalawa.
It's gonna be.
Dali, mag-lemon si Amelia.
Look at Tita Jessa.
Amelia, look at me.
Tita Jessa.
Look at me. Look at me, Amelia. I'm sorry.
She doesn't want to put it.
She
in
said,
her mouth.
Mommy, let me hold it.
You like that?
You like that? Oh,
Ooh,
wow.
you
No
like that?
reaction?
She likes it.
Thank you.
One more time. Pagka kinagat niya, babe. Tingnan natin.
Hey.
Hala, wala siya reaction.
Really?
That's crazy.
Oh
I'm
my
waiting for the
God.
ugly face.
Oh, you like it?
We're not eating that, baby.
Hala, gusto niya, te. Ang kinagat
She's
na.
like, well, you gave it to me.
Hala, iyak
I
yan.
think she likes it.
She likes it. Look at her face.
You like it? Well, you're not eating it. It's too sour. It's acidic.
I give her upset tummy.
Yeah.
Tapos na kami kumain. Busog na din si Amelia. Busog na si Amelia. Nakagigil ka. Busog na. Alright. What is that? Nasa bahay na kami. What is that?
Oh, she's gonna like it.
Oh, what is that?
Tingnan tati ko matakot siya sa snowman.
Ayun ang snowman. Oh. What is that? Is that a snowman? Hindi wala siya reaction.
Yeah, it's my first time seeing this creature. It's the Santa.
What about the Santa?
Hello, me, look at that. Hi, Santa. Santa. Uy. Santa, oh, look. Oh, so
Who
much
is
light.
that?
She doesn't know where to look first. Hi, Santa.
She's like, what is this?
What is that?
Oh, she's liking it.
No, yeah.
Ah,
You like that?
She's like, ah.
Yeah.
Santa.
Look, they're changed. And then she's like, oh my God.
Gustuhan niya. Galing ah.
Saan tayo mag-entrance?
Ah, dito sa garage niya.
Come here.
Uh-uh.
Hi.
Who is that?
You stay down. You stay down.
Babe, can you grab her
Yeah,
back?
I got it. You stay
Who
down.
is that?
Oh my gosh, she's so pretty.
Look at Amelia. Who is
here.
that?
Come here. Kinsley. You be
Namoy
good.
niya.
Be gentle.
Ay, kagwapa.
Yeah, gentle.
She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Kinsley.
Oh,
Sit.
is that your new friend?
Gentle.
That's so big.
She's big, yeah. Who is that?
Look, look, look. Look, come here.
Natakot siya. Okay, come on. Ganyan din yan sa akin.
Hey. It's okay, look. Sit.
Kinsley,
Ah, so big.
gusto niya talaga maano si...
Oh yeah, oh my goodness.
Oh. Calm down, Kinsley.
Hi, Kinsley.
Ganyan lang siya, magamoy lang.
May anuhin niya yung mukha.
Sige lang, wala mong pakiyan.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, let's go.
Stay down.
Mahilig yung magamoy ng ano, puwet.
Yan. Hi, Kinsley. I know you're a good girl. Grabe, Bea.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Uy, ang ganda mo. Yeah, okay.
Hey.
Kinsley.
Go eat your food. She still has it in her mouth.
May dala si Ate Jen na pasalubong. Konti lang.
She walked over with food in her mouth.
Excitement. Jen, be. Okay, let's see. Kay Ellie yan lahat. Ito na lang to. Ito lang yung akin.
Look at that.
Those are cute.
Cute. Uy, alam mo ba, mahal niya? Nagtingin kami. Sabi ko, bakit $35 agad? Ganyan lang kaliit.
Magagamit mo sa baptisan.
Oo,
First
cute
thing,
no.
yeah. Hindi niya yan nagamit kasi
Pero yung mga ganito gusto niya, okay lang sa kanya. Tinatanggal niya. Ang
tinatanggal
cute.
niya. Kaya nga hindi nagamit Bea kasi tinatanggal niya.
May mga headband.
Si Travis is supportive. Buti pa siya.
Ayan, ang cute naman.
Oo, hindi niya yan nagamit. Yung iba sa
Saka
Shein.
maganda kasi,
Oo.
ano lang siya.
Ang newborn yan. Sa iba sa Shein, iba sa TJ Maxx.
Ayan, mga
Dress!
dresses, partner. Partner ba ito, te?
Hindi, dress din yan.
Address din ito.
Sit down.
Ganda.
Sit down.
Grabe na, napaglitan niya na agad to.
Hindi nga niya nasuot.
Kinsley. Hey.
Isang
Come here.
Ay,
Kinsley.
partner yan, may partner.
Kinsley.
Hey. Hey.
No. Ito yung partner
Oo,
niya.
partner niya yan. Pang summer. Perfect yan kasi.
Oh, wow. Kasi paglabas niya, tapos summer.
Oo. March, April, May.
Oo.
Mga June.
Ang
Summer na yan.
cute. Ang cute nitong short.
Hoy, once lang yan nasuot ni Amelia. Talaga.
Oo, kasi
B.
bilis nila lumaki.
Pang, Easter.
Ay, ito, no?
Oo.
Tapos may bunny. Bunny headband.
Oo.
Ang
Kasi
cute.
blue. Pwede din ito.
Ang dami naman, te. Salamat.
Kasi nga, mabilis ka sila lumaki. Mga
Bagay.
isang beses lang yan nasuot niya.
Yun nga din sabi nila eh. Sabi nila, huwag ka masyado bumili ng damit na mga pang-infant.
Cute niya.
Ang cute. Ang dami ng damit ni Ellie.
Mabilis sila lumaki eh.
Oo. Ayun o. Is this yours, Amelia? Is this from you?
Is that yours?
Yes.
Yes. It's
Lay down.
mine.
Hey, come here. Lay down.
Partner yan, be. Blueberry
Sit.
yan, oh.
Sit down.
Cute.
Oo.
Ang ganda.
Hey, is that
Stay.
sweet? Sweet.
Look at this vibe.
That's super cute. Hey, hey, hey.
Be, hindi niya nasuot, be. Kasi huli ko na nakita.
Kinsley.
Ano, hindi
Hey.
na siya.
You can smell, but no licking.
Travis will like it.
Oh.
What does it says?
Daddy makes me smile.
Kinsley, come here.
I'm okay with Kinsley.
Okay.
I'm okay with Kinsley. I love dogs.
She's a gentle giant.
Yeah.
She just wants to sniff you.
Places.
You can sniff me. You can lick me. I'm fine. It's just Amelia, because Amelia is...
It's so funny. She like towers over you.
Thank you.
Be, katulad ng suot niya kanina, pero iba,
Oo nga,
iba lang
ayun ba yung
design.
naka-boots siya? Ayun ba yung naka-boots? Ay, hindi.
Hindi, isang beses lang yan
Oo nga pala.
nasuot. Nung maliit pa siya, kasi 3 months ata yan eh.
Come here.
Ayan
tulog.
na.
Come here.
Nang hindi niya nagamit. Oo.
0 to 3 months.
Hindi niya yan nagamit, Be, kasi...
Kinsley, come here. Come on.
Malaki na siya eh.
Madami kasing Be.
Lay down.
Ano?
Bagay. Hindi mo
Bigat,
magamit
tapos
lahat.
Hindi nagamit lahat.
Ayun din nga sabi nila. Baka isang beses mo lang
Hey.
magamit.
Mga hindi yan nagamit
Good girl.
kasi sobrang daming bigay. Tatlo ba naman?
Come here. Come lay by me.
Oo, yung mga babae.
Inipon nila lahat.
Ala, ang cute nito. Gusto ko to.
Bigay sa kanya mga... Hindi niya yan nagamit, Be.
Look how big she is.
Talaga?
Yes.
Ang
Hindi
cute
niya yan
nito.
nagamit.
Go lay down.
Gusto
Lay
ko
down.
to.
Hey, hey, hey. Kinsley.
Kinsley,
Oh,
enough.
kiss me. Kiss me. I'm okay.
Enough, Kinsley.
I'm okay.
Gusto
I'm
niya
okay.
talaga ni Amelia, no?
Si Amelia ang gusto niya. I don't like you. I want a baby. Timo, ikot siya.
Go. Go. Go lay down.
Kulit ka, ah. Ay, cute.
Yeah, you stay right there.
Ang dami na lumaan.
Babe, ang damit na pinaglumanin ni Amelia, 6 na ganitong ano,
Diba?
yung plastic.
Oh, ito ang cute din.
Partner yan sila.
Nabuwang na. Naglaro na siya mag-isa.
You stay right there.
Kasi hindi siya makanin.
Mm-mm.
Yeah!
Hey,
Who is that, Kinsley?
Hey, no, no, no.
that's big, no?
Sit. Sit
Ito
down.
tayo, malaki pa siya. Hindi niya ito nagamit din. Talaga?
Hindi nga niya nagamit sa sobrang dami. Yung-
Hey,
Ang kulit talaga ni Kinsley, oh.
get over here now. Lay down.
Gusto lang ni Amelia ito.
Yeah!
Lay down.
Amelia,
Tingnan natin
says
bukas
no.
kung anong reaction niya.
Ano ninibago
Pag
lang
hindi siya pagod.
Ang cute naman ito. Pang
Uy, hindi niya nasuot, be.
Ganda nito pang
What are you doing, Kinsley? Oh my gosh.
Pang simba. Pang Easter
Look at this.
din. Pang
Look at
Easter.
this mountain of clothes.
Ay, ang cute.
Rampers.
Ang daming onesies na ni ano.
Pang ano yan? Uy, kailangan mo mga ganyan.
Hi guys! So, nandun na sila sa kwarto. Pinapatulog na ni Ate Jen yung anak niya. And meron siya mga pasalubong pang baby, mga damit for Ellie. And then, meron siyang nagwa-practice na si Travis kanina. And meron siyang mga padala galing sa Pilipinas kasi umuwi sila ng Pinas last month. Ganon. Ano ba? Rabis naman. Ay, pal. So, yun lang ang vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And bukas alis kami. May pupuntahan kami sa Botanical Garden, right? Kasama sila ulit. Kasama sila Ate Jen kasi pasyal namin sila doon. So, yun lang ang ating vlog for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye!